I'm David Stark with the Bay East Association of Realtors, and I think we all know there's a lot of changes going on in real estate right now. Interest rates, inventory, prices. Well, guess what hasn't changed? Playing by the rules, particularly sign ordinance rules. Where do you start? Check out this classic Bay East video that's got some tips on what you can and can't do with your open house sign. There's lots of different ways for you to market your listing, but one of the most popular is the good old-fashioned open house sign. Now, if you've got an open house on tour this week, or if you're holding an open house this weekend, before you go out and put your signs up, we've got some fantastic resources about sign ordinances available on the Bay East website. Let's check them out. Let's start at www.bayeast.org. Click on the Community Info tab. From the drop-down menu, click on Community Info. From this page, you can use the map of the East Bay to select the community where you'll be holding your open house. We'll use Pleasanton as an example. Click on the Open House Sign Ordinance button, which will open a summary of the local sign requirements, such as sign location, the number of signs allowed, maximum sign height, maximum sign area, sign text and other requirements, days and times signs may be displayed, contact information if you have questions about sign requirements, and the section of the municipal code that addresses open house signs. FYI, while they may look similar, every community has a different sign ordinance, so please check before you put up your signs. This, a median strip, is the worst place you can put your open house sign. Why? Two reasons. First, it's illegal in every city, and second, it makes our profession look really bad. So please, keep your signs off the median strip. Well, I hope you had a great open house. I hope you had a bunch of people come through and that you got some solid offers. If you have any questions about open house sign ordinances, contact me at davids@bayeast.org. And good luck with those open houses.